A reverse Nordic curl using a little bit of assistance with the cable pulley here. This is an excellent way to access this position when you don't quite have the strength yet. The aim of the game is to keep the shoulder, hip and knee in a straight line throughout, maintaining a nice squeeze into the glutes constantly and keeping the upper back contracted. We let the hips fall between the feet, pressing the feet firmly into the floor to drive ourselves back up to the top. And again, priority number one is ensuring that we do not let the hips fall behind. Reduce the weight as your strength and mobility improves. Nice, Mariah. So Mariah's rocking her reverse Nordic curl here. Aim of the game is shoulder, hip and knee in a straight line. We don't want to reach through the shoulders towards the floor. We're letting the hip do all the movement, and we press firmly with the tops of the feet to pull back up. Last rep, Mariah. Very good job.